An army recruit tragically drowned during a training exercise in April. Zimbabwe National Army ZNA Commander Lieutenant General Emmanuel Matatu reviewed on Friday. Sanapina Mashuko, Ubranyo Gavins, I was Zimbabwe National Army recruit or drowner or during training dot was subscriber. Walaika, which on the bed, but even Trampirine na Upanapa, Ubranyo Chiti. He made the remarks while presiding over a pass-out parade at Imbizo Barracks in Bulawayo. Lieutenant General Matatu said 500 recruits began the training program, but only 489 successfully completed it, comprising 363 men and 126 women, he said. Within this 500, we had 129 females who started the course, passing out today. We have 489 recruits, comprising 363 males and 126 females. 11 recruits could not make it to today, and regrettably, one very promising recruit sadly passed away on the 6th of April in a drowning incident, which we are investigating up to now. 10 failed to meet the requirements of the course and had to be removed. Lieutenant General Matatu did not provide further details about the drowning incident. He explained that the 36-week training program for cadets includes a wide range of military disciplines, such as the use of infantry weapons, fieldcraft, minor tactics, foot and arms drills, map readings, voice procedure, conventional warfare, military law, and civil military relations. The Army Chief warned that indiscipline will not be tolerated, stressing that any recruits who turn rogue will face the full force of the law, as outlined in the Defense Act. He said, "The Army is a disciplined force, and we do not tolerate cases of indiscipline. There will be no leniency on members who break the law and commit offenses. If you involve yourself in cases of indiscipline, you will face the full wrath of the law as spelled out in the Defense Act." Ndio mashoko anobuletoka panapa aiwa na Emmanuel Matatu achuya achitsanangura aiwa kuti they lost another trainee, but panguva ino anoendera mberi achitsanangura kuti aiwa vemauto panguva ino havabvumidzwi kuita indiscipline. Noda kuti pane mutemo unovabata. Tudze mafungiro enyu kuti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi pena comment section medu. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.